Ever wondered how some people turn a small savings into a fortune? What if you could unlock the secrets to financial success without having to read countless books? Today, I'm going to share the distilled wisdom from 40 of the most influential books on money. Secrets that have helped countless people, including myself, move from zero to financial freedom. Welcome to this special video, where we dive deep into the financial insights gathered from 40 powerful books. If you're aiming to build your wealth and are looking for proven strategies that work, you've come to the right place. I've spent years analyzing these books and have extracted the most effective advice to help you boost your financial journey from scratch. We'll start with the basics, building a solid foundation that can help you grow your first $100,000. From changing your mindset about money to laying down the habits that foster wealth, we'll cover all the essentials. As we progress, we'll explore more advanced investment strategies and insights into scaling your wealth beyond your imagination. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of our videos. Ready to transform your financial life? Let's get started. Level 1. Going from $0 to $100,000. Overcoming negative perceptions about wealth. Many people grow up hearing negative things about money, like it's the root of all evil. This mindset can stop us from achieving financial success. Books such as Secrets of the Millionaire Mind challenge these beliefs by showing that money is just a tool that can provide freedom, not something inherently bad. The Psychology of Money goes further, explaining that money gives us the power to make our own choices and control our lives, leading to true independence. Setting realistic goals. To start building wealth, it's crucial to set goals that are achievable. Think and Grow Rich encourages us to dream big, but also stresses the importance of concrete, achievable goals. Similarly, The Winner Effect discusses how achieving small goals can boost our confidence and improve our chances of future success, building a positive cycle of winning. Winning increases your confidence. From my own life, I've learned that overcoming challenges can significantly boost self-esteem. I struggled with academics early on, but finding success in small personal projects helped build my confidence. This personal growth has been instrumental in reaching larger goals later on. Developing great habits. Establishing effective habits is key to long-term success. Atomic Habits introduces the concept of habit stacking, which involves adding new habits onto existing ones. This technique simplifies the process of forming new habits by integrating them into routines you already perform, making them stick more effectively. Building high-value skills. It's important to focus on developing skills where you naturally excel. So Good They Can't Ignore You argues that the skills that make you unique are the ones that can drive your success. By honing these skills, you become invaluable in your field, leading to greater job satisfaction and career opportunities. Leveraging technology in your business. In today's market, integrating technology, especially artificial intelligence, AI, into your business can give you a competitive edge. Mastery teaches us that combining unique skill sets with technology can lead to mastery in your field, while Steal Like an Artist encourages creativity in how you use technology, suggesting that a distinctive blend of skills and tech can make your business truly stand out. Focusing on actionable steps. It's easy to get caught up in dreaming about the end result of wealth, but Atomic Habits reminds us to concentrate on the daily actions that lead to those outcomes. Focusing on actionable steps rather than the final goal helps maintain momentum and makes the journey towards $100,000 more manageable. The importance of unique skill sets. In any field, but especially in businesses that utilize AI, having a unique set of skills is crucial. This combination of abilities ensures that you stay relevant and irreplaceable, even as the marketplace evolves. Developing a deep, diverse skill set can protect against the risk of becoming obsolete in an increasingly automated world. Level 2. $100,000 to $1 million. Moving beyond time for money traps. To grow your income significantly, it's important to stop trading your time directly for money. Cashflow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki teaches us about different ways to earn income. Instead of just working for a paycheck as an employee, It shows how you can earn more by owning a business or making investments. Similarly, The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss encourages us to automate and outsource our work as much as possible. This way, you can earn money while sleeping, traveling, or enjoying life, essentially living a retired lifestyle much earlier. Understanding relative versus absolute income. Understanding the difference between relative and absolute income is key. Absolute income is how much money you make in total, while relative income considers how much you earn in relation to the time spent earning it. For example, you might make less total money, but enjoy more free time and a better quality of life. This concept, explored in The 4-Hour Workweek, helps you focus on creating a lifestyle where you work less but earn more efficiently, maximizing your freedom and enjoyment. Finding and solving daily annoyances. Every day, small problems and annoyances could be big business opportunities. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel encourages looking at the world and noticing what could be improved or what is missing. Disrupt You by Jay Samit suggests that these everyday challenges are opportunities for innovation. By focusing on these annoyances, you can create solutions that people are willing to pay for, turning common frustrations into profitable ventures. Emphasizing execution over idea protection. Many people believe that having a unique business idea is enough to succeed. However, The Lean Startup by Eric Ries teaches that how you execute your idea is far more important than the idea itself. The book encourages rapid testing and adaptation, learning from real customer feedback, and making necessary changes quickly. This approach reduces the risk of big failures and emphasizes the practical steps needed to make your business work. Creating niche markets. Entering markets with little to no competition can be a game changer for your business. Blue Ocean Strategy by W. Chan Kim and Renee Maborin introduces the concept of creating new market spaces, blue oceans, that are untouched by competitors. This strategy involves innovating in ways that make the competition irrelevant, allowing your business to grow in a market without fights over price or customers. Keeping your product desired. Once you find your niche, the next step is to keep your products or services in high demand. Oversubscribed by Daniel Priestley and Breakthrough Advertising by Eugene Schwartz discuss how to create and maintain strong demand for what you offer. By making your products so appealing that more people want them than you can supply, you create exclusivity and desirability, which can drive sales and premium pricing. Level 3. $1 million to $10 million and beyond. Leadership and influence. To grow a big business, it's crucial to be a good leader. Books like Influence: The Psychology of Persuasion and How to Win Friends and Influence People teach us how understanding and caring about others can make you a powerful leader. This helps in getting your team to believe in your vision and work hard to achieve it. Strategic focus and power dynamics. It's important to stay focused and understand how to manage power within your business. Never Split the Difference offers strategies for effective negotiation without losing focus on your main goals. The 48 Laws of Power provides lessons on how to navigate and use power wisely in business situations, helping you maintain control and drive your business forward. Systematization and niche focus. Creating reliable systems and specializing in a specific area can make your business unbeatable. The E-Myth emphasizes the importance of systems in scaling a business successfully, while Good to Great discusses how companies that focus deeply on one thing they can be the best at tend to outperform all others. This approach leads to long-term success and sustainability. Understanding global trends. Knowing about global economic and societal shifts can give you an edge. The Fourth Turning and The Changing World Order explore patterns in history and predictions for future changes. These insights can help you prepare and adapt your business strategies to benefit from larger trends affecting the world. Thank you for joining me on this journey to financial mastery. I hope these strategies inspire you to take your wealth to new heights. Remember, the path to becoming a multimillionaire requires persistence, smart decision-making, and a willingness to keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and share this video with friends who are also on their financial journeys. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you. Stay motivated, stay disciplined, and let's achieve those financial goals together. See you in the next video.